Walldone specializes in patch and paint services, providing comprehensive solutions for all your wall and ceiling repair needs. From fixing holes caused by leaks to full-scale paint jobs, we have you covered. Our experienced team will patch, match colors, paint, and clean up, leaving your space looking as good as new. Whether you need to refresh your house, office, or any other space, Walldone can help you achieve the look you want. With our overnight option for commercial facilities, you can have your space back in business in no time. Stay at home while we work, and let us take care of the rest. Trust us to make it seem as if it never happened.